what's happening to Auntie there? What is she doing? Auntie, hi! Hi! So I'm practicing for a drama and I'm playing the Greek goddess Athena, goddess of war, goddess of wisdom, and then goddess of strategy. So I hold a shield and I hold a spear. Oh, is it? Auntie, did you know there's an Athena in AWS as well? It's called AWS Athena. Really? I didn't know that. Can you please explain? For example, you build an e-commerce website, say for a clothing store, and you host this website on AWS Cloud. So after you hosted the website, people would go, they would browse the products, some they would buy, and then some they would skip. So you wanted to understand the trend followed for your product so that you can make some modification to the strategy or implement more such products or do some changes. See how the customers are reacting to that product, how is the market for that product, the customer experience, the user experience. So all these are logged into something called as log files, or simply it is the S3 files, which is the simple storage service. So all this data is present in the S3 files, and using AWS Athena, you will be able to basically create queries to understand how the product is performing in the situations that you have given. How the customers are able to buy the product, and say they add it into the cart but they don't finally buy it, or then before going to the last page maybe the transactions would have failed. So all these sort of analysis you will be able to do using your AWS Athena. So in simple words, Auntie, AWS Athena is a serverless, it's interactive query database service, and you can use the service to understand or analyze petabytes of data even without you needing for an infrastructure setup. And because this AWS service is on cloud, it can scale automatically depending on your usage. And one good thing is you only pay as per your query. You don't need to pay, because you're not holding this database in your server. Oh, that's so nice. Both are Athena. One gives wisdom and the other gives SQL results. Yeah, yes, Auntie, you got it.